Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into what could be the most exciting feature of the Tragedy Plus subscription, the ChatGPT Code Interpreter. This update is poised to revolutionize how we interact with ChatGPT, and I've put it to the test. In this video, I'll share my findings, highlighting the capabilities and potential applications of this new feature. But, like any advancement, there are a few caveats. So, stick around to get the full scoop. Feature setup. To get started, let's make sure you're set up to explore the Code Interpreter. You'll need to click on those three dots, head over to Settings, navigate to Beta Features, and there it is, the Code Interpreter. Once you're all set, let's dive in. Feature demonstration. First up, let's talk about math. ChatGPT's Code Interpreter has fixed the math problem. Unlike its predecessors, it can now handle calculations accurately. For instance, I threw some division and multiplication at it, and the results were spot on. Not only that, but you can also request to have the calculations presented as a thought process, making it ideal for those wanting to understand the steps behind the solution. Now, let's talk about its ability to work with images. I tried using PDF books, but that was a bit of a struggle. However, when it came to images, Code Interpreter rocked it. Check this out. I fed it an image of the robot movie poster and asked it to transform it into something like Obama's Hope poster. It managed to do it, although there were a few bumps along the way. Image manipulation. It's not perfect yet, but the potential is clear. You can tweak the color schemes and work with image data to an extent. It's not just a tool for coders, designers can find value here too. Presentation tool. And speaking of design, let's take a quick break to talk about our video sponsor, Dex AI. It's a lifesaver for making presentations. Just feed it your topic and audience, and it creates a beautifully designed presentation in no time. The magic buttons and voice recorder feature add a professional touch. Check them out through the link in the description. Data analysis and programming. Alright, back to Code Interpreter. It's not just about images and text, it's a full-fledged programmer and data analyst. Just take a look at what it did with publicly available data on World Heritage sites. It generated an interactive map and visualized electric vehicle data with ease. Junior programmers, watch out, this feature is coming for your jobs. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the remarkable capabilities of ChatGPT's Code Interpreter. While it's not without its quirks, it's undeniable that this feature is a game changer. Whether you're dealing with complex calculations, image manipulation, or even data analysis, Code Interpreter is here to make your life easier and more efficient. That wraps up today's video. If you found this exploration of ChatGPT's Code Interpreter intriguing, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried out Code Interpreter and what your experience has been like. Until next time, keep exploring and keep innovating. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next